After bookshelf, let's talk about the list grid display PDF viewer module. Let's delete it and take the list grid display PDF viewer module. The display types can be either grid or list, and you can source by either all or category or selected viewers. If you select by category, it will show the PDFs with the selected category. If you select selected viewers, then you can select the specific viewers like this. Then only those PDF viewers will be shown. And you can select the number of columns. Here it can either be 2, 3 or 4. Okay, so now save this page. And let's view it in the page mode. You can see the PDFs are rearranged as a grid. Now, if I would have chosen the list option, let's choose the list from here, and you can see I'm sorting this at all, and when I save it, and let's see it in another page, you can see it is coming as list. Due to there is no description written in my display add-on or that field, that is why no description is showing. But if you add description in the PDF viewer, it will show up here. So this is a nice way to represent your PDFs as a list. Thanks to all.